Hello Natural Crew. We are entering into the 100 subscriber club. What's up, y'all? Thank y'all for being here. It's 100 of y'all. Anyways, I wanted to come on here and talk to you all about the difference between fractionated coconut oil and regular coconut oil, extra virgin coconut oil, organic coconut oil, whatever you want to call it. The difference is one is liquid and stays liquid, and one is solid and can go to liquid or solid. This is how they do it. This is how we do it. They take the coconut oil and they take the fatty acids out using hydrolysis, which I think I said that name right, and using steam distillation. Say that 10 times. So that is how they remove the fatty acids from the coconut oil, which makes the coconut oil go into solid when it gets cool or liquid when it gets warm. But if you use fractionated coconut oil, it'll just stay liquid form. Now y'all, let me tell you the biggest mistake that I've made in my little essential oil journey. Y'all know I'm not an aromatherapist. I'm nobody scientist, no doctor, anything like that. I'm just a regular girl who stumbled upon the dangers in her home and the chemicals in her home and wanted to make a difference in what I was inhaling. And I decided, I want to inhale plants over chemicals, because I saw what it was doing to us as a whole. Like, the dangers of it. So I'm no professional or expert or anything like that. So, I live and learn. When I learn and when I make mistakes, I want to share those with you all just so you won't have to make those same mistakes. So what I ended up doing, if you notice, I know I've showed you all how I make my oil blends on Instagram, but I'm not sure if I ever did a video on YouTube. But either way it go, whenever I do my oil blends, I hardly ever show you the bottle, and I purposefully don't show the bottle because I knew I wasn't using fractionated coconut oil. Like, I mean, it was $8 on the website where I get my oils from. I just didn't see the purpose of it, okay? I'm just being honest. I knew it was a difference, but I didn't know what the difference was. I'm just being honest. And I personally didn't want to get dragged, so I just never showed it. But I pretty much always use this. One day, Texas decided, we gonna get down to that Chicago weather. So they decided to go down to 39 degrees here. Jesus said it was time. And this bottle was sitting here on the desk, and and it was solid, y'all. I was scared it was gonna break. I'm like, what in the world? And I don't know why it didn't cross my mind that once it get warmer, it'll go back to its regular liquid form. It just spooked me, and I didn't know what to do. And so, of course, it caused me to go like, "Hey Google, what's that fractionated coconut oil them naturalistas been talking about?" I think I need it. Now it's in my cart, and I am going to get it because apparently when you're doing your oil blends, you definitely want to use fractionated coconut oil. I did make an ointment for like broken skin. I don't think I ever showed you all that. Well, I may do a video on it, but I made like an ointment for like broken skin using just like coconut oil and like tea tree oil and lemon oil, I think. And I think that's okay for it to be in its solid form because, I mean, you can't really put ointment on something if it's too liquidy. But for oil blends, you definitely want to use fractionated coconut oil. So that is the difference between the two, and that is also the mistake I made in not doing my full research on why I should be using it, trying to cut them corners and save them dollars. But I mean, I'm just gonna go ahead and spend $8, and I hope this video helps. So hopefully you don't make the same mistake I did. If you have any more questions, definitely feel free to ask me. I've learned a lot over this year journey of me going chemical free. So definitely ask your questions, and I will see you all in the next video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't find it helpful, give it a thumbs down. But I hope you did. And with that being said, I will see you all in the next video. Bye, y'all.